Hi guys, welcome to my C# tutorial of currency converter. So first and foremost, let me show you guys how it works right there. So when you click on that little button, it will open up the conversion area. So you enter the country details you want to convert, enter it into the text box here, and that's supposed to be 234 British pounds sterling. When you click on convert, it will convert it to American dollars for you. So when you're done, or if you intend to convert any other country again, just enter that and there. Okay, so when you're done, just click on close. If you decide to want to reconvert, just go back there, see all those data are gone. So this tutorial was at a request of a guy out there who would like me to develop something in C# as for currency converter. So let me show you the guys details right there. That's the email that was sent to my account. Okay, so the guy would like me to develop a currency converter in C#. So let's go straight into C# now and put one of these together. Hi, this is C# tutorial of currency converter. I'll start by clicking on new project. Once this dialog box up, select Windows Forms Application and just give a project a name. So I'm calling my CS underscore currency converter. Click on save. Okay, that's my form right there. So I'm now going to just format my form that much, then go to the tools and enter 3 buttons. We're gonna need 3 of those. Okay, then I will also need a combo box right there, then 1 text box and a label. 1 label, that's our output device, and a text box as our input device there. So those are my component right there. I give them a name. Alright, let's get this, align this up to cover the rest of this component. Just bring it right up. Okay, bring forward just like that. Okay, so let me just pick this up. Okay guys, this is how my system is looking right now. Look at that. Okay, I have a close button there, converter, label, text box and combo box. Okay, let's take it back. And each of these components, they all have a name as well, so I can show you their names here. Okay, that's the name of this button there, and the property will show you that name. That's called BTN close. Alright, they all have a name: BTN convert, LBL convert, TXT convert, and CMD currency. So those are the names. So what I will do now is to double click on my form right there and go right underneath where it says public form, right underneath here. I will then declare the following variables. So let's start by double. Let's go for Nigerian currency underscore Naira is called. Okay, enter the value in there. So approximately that. It might not be right. If you really mean business, you can always look it up. And let's enter some more. So let's go for US dollars. Okay, it's approximately 1.52. So let's speed up that. Okay, now that I have all my variables in place, there they are for all the countries. You can always verify the exchange rate. Okay, I will now come to form load. To get to your form load, all you need to do is double click on the form, and there you go. So I'm just going to enter cmb.text equals, I would just call that choose one. Okay, that's fine. And then the next thing is cmb.items.odd, and we make that USA. Then repeat exactly the same things. cmd.items.odd, let's make that Nigerian. So that's supposed to be the name of each of those countries, and just speed that up. Okay, before we run it, let me move this aside so that you guys see what I'm talking about. Then I will then run it. Okay, when we run the program now, you see those countries, those are the names. Okay, so to get this button that covers the processing area, so let's double click on this, so which means BTN currency dot visible equals false. Okay, so that will actually make room for us. Then once that is done, we can come in here, just move this aside, you see this close one, double click on that and enter BTN currency.visible equals, make that true. Okay, so that will lock it up. Then txt currency.clear, and we also want to clear the LBL currency. Let's enter semicolon there and start this all over. LBL convert dot text equals clear. There. So if I run it, so click on that and see that, guys. So that's what I want the system to do. Why this very one here? Okay, let me just show it to you again. If I run it again and you click on this, that disappears. Then we can select whatever country and enter whatever amount and just click on this. When we finish, click on that. Okay, that's what I want the system to do. Alright, move this aside, double click on convert and enter as follows. So first and foremost, let's declare the following. Double, I'm going to call that British underscore pounds. Let's put an S equals, get rid of this, equals double dot pause, and we want you to pause the txt convert. Okay, so now enter conditional statement. If cmb currency dot text equals Nigeria, okay, and this is what I want the system to do. Enter our curly braces there. So LBL convert dot text equals system dot convert dot to string. Okay, convert as follows. So I want that to be, I will use N as the Nigerian currency sign, and I just need to enter my variable there, BTN. Oh, sorry, that's supposed to be British pound sterling, right here, multiplied by Nigerian naira, and that is all there is to it. So all I'll just do now is copy, paste, and change this one to, maybe let's go for Kenya. Let's go for Kenya right there. Let's change it. I think the spelling is right. Yeah, that's correct. And just change this to Kenyan shilling. And that is all there is to it. So I will now speed this up, guys. Okay guys, and that is all there is to it. So let me show you the codes. The conversion code is exactly the same, there's no different. Okay, so let's bring it down. So let's run it first while the system is coming up. If I click on that, I can always drop this down, select whatever country, and enter how much I want to convert, and that is it. Okay, so let's say it's a US. Alright, so converting 55 pounds British money to US dollars, that is it. Okay, to Canadian. Alright guys, and that is how you develop your own currency converter. Okay, if I click on close, that comes up. So let's make it look decent. Just drag this and place it right there. Okay guys, and let's run it one more time. Run, click, and carry out whatever operation you want to carry out. Okay, that's a lot of money. Alright, so just before I leave, let me show you guys the codes one more time. Let's take it up. Just a quick recap. We declare the following variables and enter value into it under the public class. Bring it down, double click on your form, and assign as follows to my combo box. Okay, the main button has a visible value of false, then the close one has a visible value of true to close the system and clear the two output and input device. Then the last button there is to carry out the calculation, and there, those are the lines of codes. Okay, I'll run it one more time, and there. Close. Alright, I'll call it the end of this, and please do subscribe.